Understanding the phrase, repent. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive deep into the meaning of the phrase, repent. It's a word often heard in religious, moral, and sometimes casual contexts. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how and when to use it. Let's get started. Repent is a verb. At its core, to repent means to feel or express sincere regret or remorse about one's wrongdoing or sin. It's not just about feeling sorry, but it often implies a desire to make things right or to change one's ways. Example, after realizing he had hurt his friend's feelings, John repented and apologized. Religious context. Repent is frequently used in religious contexts, especially in Christianity. Here, it denotes a deep remorse for sins committed and turning away from them to return to God. Example, the preacher said, "It's never too late to repent and seek forgiveness from God." Everyday usage. While its roots are in religion, repent is sometimes used in daily conversation to express deep regret. Example, if you don't return the money you took, you'll repent it later, warned the elder. Understanding synonyms can provide more depth to your vocabulary. Some common synonyms for repent are regret, feel remorse for, be sorry for. Keep in mind, while these words are related, they might not always be interchangeable based on the depth of emotion or the context. And there you have it. Now you know the meaning of repent and how to use it in various contexts. Remember, language is a beautiful way to express emotions and ideas. The next time you come across this word or feel the need to use it, you'll do so with confidence. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.